How to record the screen on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's jump on it. First of all, what you want to do, with one finger from the upper right corner of the screen, swipe down. And this will get you into Control Center. In Control Center, have a look if you can find this icon right here. If you do see that, you already have the screen recording function ready in your Control Center. If you don't see that, then here's what you need to do. First of all, tap somewhere here in the empty area to close Control Center. Next, open up the settings. Then scroll down and tap on Control Center. Now under More Controls, search for Screen Recording. And then tap on the plus symbol next to it. This will add screen recording to your Control Center for quick access. It will then appear here under Included Controls. Now let us go back to the home screen. And to start our screen recording now on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, all we need to do is to open up the Control Center again. And then we tap here on the screen recording icon. We are now screen recording our iPhone 15 Pro Max screen. Whatever you're going to do now on your iPhone, all the movements like that, or also when you open up applications, like a browser, a game, or video editing software, or whatever, everything that is on the screen is indeed recorded. To stop the recording, open up the Control Center again by swiping down from the upper right corner of the screen with one finger, and then simply tap here on the screen recording icon. This will stop your screen recording, and it will be saved in the Photos app as well as in the camera roll. So to find our screen recording now, we are first going to return to the home screen, and then we open up the Photos app. And as you can see, we have our screen recording right here. Alternatively, you can also open up the camera app, and then tap on the camera roll icon here in the lower left corner of the screen, and you will find your screen recording right there as well. Now last but not least, if you would like to record your voice while screen recording on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, then here's how you do it. Once again, we're going to open up the Control Center like that, and then we long tap here on the screen recording icon, and this will bring up these additional options right here. And at the very bottom, you will see the microphone icon. So to record your voice when you're screen recording, make sure that the microphone option here is turned on. Simply tap on it, and it will turn red, and will then be turned on. Now when you tap on Start Recording, your voice will be recorded as well. And this is how you screen record on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.